Hello, my darling. This is Ginger V, and thank you so much for pressing play on this video. In this video, I am going to show you how I make the Verdant Herbal Bar. This is one of my favorite soaps to make because it contains some of my favorite ingredients, and it was just such a pleasure. So I know you'll definitely enjoy this. So let's get into the ingredients. The ingredients in the Verdant bar are as follows. You've got organic oils such as rice, palm, coconut oil, cocoa butter, castor seed oil, hemp seed oil, neem seed oil. You've got organic moringa and rosemary, essential oil, as well as rosemary leaf extract, and peppermint and some sea salt. So as you know, I've added some lovely ingredients, lovely beneficial ingredients to this bar. Here are a few of them. I added moringa because it contains a lot of vitamin C to help brighten dull, dry skin. And moringa also contains vitamin E for wound healing. So if you tend to scratch your dry skin a lot, this will be beneficial for you. Hemp seed oil I've also added because it is a natural skin hydrator, which improves elasticity and is known to strengthen skin. I've added neem to help stimulate the collagen and to provide your skin with vitamin E and essential fatty acids. And of course, rosemary and peppermint to help with the dryness of skin and to stimulate the blood flow. So the story behind this bar is each and every time I make my way to my country, to Trinidad, I always make sure, I try to anyway, to get a window seat, because before you land, the view of the island and the freshness, the greenness, the lushness of the vegetation, all the plants, it's breathtaking, and I wanted to mimic that in this bar. So I wanted also the bar to sort of change throughout the year depending on the time that you purchase it. So you might get something that's very much rich and deep forest green, or you might get something pretty light. And so I hope I did a good job with that, with just bringing out this beautiful green and giving you that freshness and brightness with the peppermint and the rosemary. Now here are some of my skin tips I will recommend whenever you're using this bar or any other bar that I create. Make sure to exfoliate on dry skin with a dry brush. You want to do that each and every morning. You want to also exfoliate with sugar, salt, maybe bamboo powder, or any sort of gentle physical exfoliant twice a week. You want to make sure and eat your fibrous foods and hydrate regularly. And then after your bath and or shower, you want to apply your moisturizer to wet skin, and this depends on what type of moisturizer or hydrator you're using to lock in the moisture. This bar has been on the curing rack for about 4 months, and I can't wait to package up your order and send this off to you. Thanks so much for watching me make my Verdant Herbal Bar.